In this video, we will show you how to withdraw money from your PayPal account to your bank accounts. First, you need to input your bank account details. If not yet, you can see our previous video about how you can link your bank account on your PayPal account. After you link your bank account into your PayPal account, then if you have money on PayPal, you can just click transfer money to start withdrawing your money from PayPal to your bank account. Just click here. After that, you will see your currency on your PayPal is converted into your local currency. In my case, this is my amount of local currency. To start transferring or withdrawing your money, you can just click transfer now here. Just click transfer now. Then your transfer is estimate arrival 2 until 4 days. Of course, this is on working days, not on weekends. And that's all tutorial how you can withdrawing or transferring your money from PayPal account to your bank account. Hope this video helpful for you.